In this video, I'm going to show you 8 steps to creating an awesome channel trailer that gets you more subscribers starting today. Hey, and welcome back to Creator People, where we help you to grow your influence and your income with integrity. I'm Brandon, and we're breaking down exactly how to create a channel trailer that grows your subscriber base. The first step to creating an awesome channel trailer is to know your audience. If you've ever gone fishing, you'll know that not the same type of bait works for all the same type of fish. We've actually got this little canal behind our house where I take my little boy fishing, and I know that if I put a little piece of bread on the end of the hook and drop it in the water, I'm going to catch bluegill like crazy, but the bass won't touch it. If I want to catch bass, I gotta put on the little sparkly fake worm. If I put that little worm on, they're gonna bite every single time, like it's crazy. If you've got a channel that's for helping medical students study, you want to attract medical students. So you may not want to start putting out Harry Potter content because you want your audience to know you understand them. If you got a channel making recipes, maybe don't make videos for medical students. Once you know your audience, you can read their diary. You can basically show that you understand to them in your channel trailer who they are and what they're looking for. Let's go back to the medical student example for a minute. If you want to attract medical students, you might start off with something like exhausted from anatomy classes, mixing up your medulla with your mesentery. I've been there. Can't get your thyroid straight from your thymus? I get that. Okay, maybe not that cheesy, but what can you say to them right away? Literally in the first sentence that's gonna show them they're in the right place. Have you been thinking of creating a YouTube channel, but you're not sure where to start? Maybe you've got a channel, but you're not seeing any growth. Or maybe you've had growth in the past, but lately you've hit a plateau. If any of this sounds like you're in the right place. Yeah, that might work. And here's the deal. You have 3 seconds to earn their 5 seconds, to earn their 10 seconds, to earn the rest of their time on your trailer. The very first thing you say is super important, so make them feel like you know what they're looking for and you have value to add to their lives. Now you can go to step 3, which is to introduce yourself and your channel. See, what you've just done is you've shown them you're here for them, not the other way around, and you've earned the right to introduce yourself. But keep it quick because we want to move back to them as fast as possible. Think, I'm name, and this is channel name. That's simple. Once you've introed yourself, you can move on to step 4, which is to state your offer. Now this is super important. In this step, you're sharing what kind of content you make and why. And if you don't know your why yet, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be making a video really soon here breaking down exactly how to figure it out. Hint, it's foundational to everything you do on YouTube. When you state your offer, it just needs to include 3 things. 1 is who. Re-identify yourself to your target audience. 2 is why. What's your mission statement or a paraphrase of it? And 3, what? What content or value are you going to offer to your audience? Do you know your offer already? Comment below with your offer and make sure to include your who, your why, and your what. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. Now that you've shown them what you're about, what you have to offer to them, you've given them a reason to subscribe, so you can actually ask for it. If they're still watching your channel trailer at this point, they've given you permission to ask them to subscribe. So you can say something like, if that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing. Or if you don't want to miss that, smash that like button. Or if you'd please consider subscribing, we would be ever so grateful. Or something along those lines, like I'm doing right now. If you're getting value out of this, a subscribe would be pretty cool. The next step is actually optional, and that's including a tagline or a farewell if you've got one. But maybe you just end the video, and that's okay because the 7th step is really about the whole experience, and that's wrap it up. No, seriously, cut the thing. One of my favorite quotes, and I've got a lot of them, is from Franklin Roosevelt. It says, be sincere, be brief, be seated. Don't go long. As this definitely applies to YouTube, your channel trailer will preferably be less than a minute long. My wife's new one is only 30 seconds long. The channel trailer I just made for this channel isn't even a minute long. Now, a couple things can help with that. One is to edit super aggressively. Like, cut out all the pauses that aren't necessary. Imagine if there were a lot of pause. Did you see how much interest you just lost in that 1.5 seconds? The channel trailer's gotta be fast-paced, guys. And step 8 helps you do that because step 8 is to plan before you record. Write out a script or at least some type of outline before you press record. I know it sounds like it's taking the creative fun out of it, but it's really just making the video better for your audience. And if you're in it for you and not your audience, again, we have a problem. Let's go back to your value offer to them in the first place. Writing it out will help you stay concise. And I'm actually offering a free channel trailer template outline for a limited time over on creatorpeople.com. This is for anybody who signs up for our mailing list. We won't spam you, but I will keep you up to date with what's happening on Creator People, and I'll be looking for your feedback as I'm looking to better serve our audience. So after you like this video, hit subscribe and then go to the link below or creatorpeople.com to get your free How to Channel Trailer template. If you're just getting started and you want to know how to reach your first 100 subscribers as fast as possible, click this right here. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. What do you subscribe? Right there. Okay, bye.